Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, halo Mister. Ya,
Assalamualaikum
in this
warahmatullahi
opportunity,
wabarakatuh.
I will give you about morning and next speaking. You can favorite teacher and favorite lesson, how to adapt in DC. Maybe about morning, about morning class. About morning class, I so happy if I get the first class at 6:30, because if I get class it at 6:30, the weather is cool. If I get class at 8 a.m. I so sad because the weather is so hot. And then for the second, I want to tell you about next speaking. Next speaking, I haven't got next speaking in TC program. And we are continue to for the third my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher in TC is Mr. Sali. There are Mr. Sali, Mr. Budi. Yeah, Mr. Sali. Why I choose Mr. Sali? Because Mr. Sali always make me happy, and then he always yapping, yapping in our class, because Mr. Sali so humble, kind, anymore. Then Mr. Budi. Why I choose Mr. Budi? Because Mr. Budi humble, then so friendly. Then Mr. Budi. I choose Mr. Budi because Mr. Budi humble, friendly, and then Mr. Budi so kind. If I don't know Mr. Budi teach me. And then speaking, if I in my class just silent, Mr. Budi always help me to speak up. Then for the fourth, I want to explain about favorite lesson. My favorite lesson in English. What is that? My favorite lesson in English. Maybe just describing picture. Yeah, no describing picture. What is describing picture, speaking, grammar, new concept. I like new concept because in new concept I get many vocabulary. Why I don't like why I didn't like speaking, like speaking, grammar, or describing picture. If in grammar I'm lazy, because if I didn't enter class, one class, I left the lesson, and for the second class I confused to what. For speaking, why I speaking, because I am introvert person. I don't like speaking. If I speaking, we must speak up. more and more. Then for the describing picture, done why I don't like about describing picture, because describing picture, what is that? Lazy for speak up also. Then okay, continue for the next. How to adapt in TC. How to adapt in TC? I don't know, because I am introvert person. I think if you want to adapt in TC with other people, you can speak up too much. If you become introvert, I think you cannot or little for adapt in TC. Adapt in TC. Okay. What else? You must enter the class if you want to adapt in TC. Okay, for the lesson A, or the lesson in TC program. I'm so lazy because many lesson in TC program, like shadowing, speech, or what else? Shadowing, speech. Then about country in our study club, explain other country. I got India, and then that else. Why I didn't enter, why I didn't join class last time. Okay, I want to explain about why I didn't join class last time, because my hand sick. I was my hand sick was on Friday last week, and until now still sick. Then if I have been in at my hometown, I will go to hospital. I will, my head, because I don't know the yeah. Then why I want to explain about why am I choose why I chosen BEC, or what is that? I think that's it, yeah. I think last time there is no reason else. Then I directly back. I want make sure last night I have permission to Kayla. I said that Kayla, tomorrow the day after tomorrow I can't join class because my hands ache. But Kayla didn't want because there is no letter. Yeah, I to enter class last night. Entered the class. Then after entered weekly meeting, I directly back there like okay. Let me introduce myself. I haven't to introduce myself. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Radway Lazan. You can call me Lazan. I'm from Central Java, exactly Tegal. Then what else?
I'm from Parang. I'm from Parang. My favorite hobby is
My hobby is playing football. Why why am I just play football? Because this is my hobby. My hobby playing football. Then there are my hobby.
good.
My hobby there are
Chess.
playing football, playing game,
Player is
and then
Magnus Carlsen.
learn, study.
I am the biggest
The first
fan.
is playing football. The second is playing game, Mobile Legend, and the third is
Magnus Carlsen.
the third study.
He's very,
Then
so smart.
my favorite food.
He's very so smart.
My favorite food is
He
fruit, anything
he will
like
he will do he will do like he can break
orange,
the move. He can break the move.
melon watermelon.
Maybe
My food there.
it's gonna be 10 steps.
Meatball.
I'm glad
I'm lazy.
when I look Magnus Carlsen.
Okay.
And then my dream is
My dream. Okay, I wanna tell you about my dream. My dream is I will be what? I think I just will work in my village. Don't go to anywhere because in my village many work. I think in my future is will be farmer. Then I want to enjoying my life in my village. Bismillah. Before we close our video today, deciding, come on, pray together. Pray begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal asri innal insana lafi khusrin illa alladziina amanu wa amilus solihati wa tawassaw bil haqqi. Amin. Okay. One minute again. I want to explain about that.
Everyone must focus to
Why am I learn English? I want to explain why am I learn English. I want to maybe I learn English because my parents ordered to me for learn English, just it, and then there is no again. I think for holiday in the my future or holiday to go to other country because English is international language. Oke. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the top.